I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside the ghost and hop up in the fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take the out the ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on the band, and I got 2 thick thoughts, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel or Balenciaga, Louis and Vuitton. I got the bottle when I got it on. I need me a tire rider, I need
Saw that, bro. We saw that on the IG. So they're not bringing us on. Bro, you should have seen the missions, bro, as far as overheating.
Oh, really?
Bro, we took all the AC condensers on the side of the road. Yeah. That's why I was like, oh, we're gonna be late. That's why I was like, what you said? We're gonna meet up with you guys after. Yeah, but no, it's cherry now. But that's come up still. But it made it. This is the first time we drove it.
Oh, really?
On the street. Since getting it all done, so a little bit nervous. You know what I mean? Here we are. Staging. Ready?
Yeah.
Shout out to Taylor, Kuruma, Audrey, everybody. Appreciate it so much, guys. So we're staging right now.
Yeah, we're about to head into San Jose Wekfest. We made it. The car wasn't even painted a couple days ago.
Yeah, I know, right?
So we're just happy to be here. It's not perfect, but we made it.
We're stoked. We're stoked to be here. We're stoked to start staging, so I think we're about to go in right now.
Now I'm so high, and now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high.
Yeah, come down. This side is cherry all the way down.
What's your plan?
They came down from. Yeah.
We can solve all if you just give me some time. I can open up your mind if you let. You can free your mind. 'Cause I know it's over. I'll never be sober. Couldn't believe. Now I'm so high. And now it's over. I'll never be sober. Couldn't believe. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Girl, if it's done right, well, you know it's got to be something wonderful to me. Oh, girl, give it one night. If you just give it a chance, loving you is not my plan. 'Cause I know
Bearded Papas. So we just finished staging the car at Wekfest. We haven't eaten all day. And this is our first meal of choice, especially since we don't have any local to us. So if you guys don't know what this is, it's a Bearded Papa's cream puff. And these things are magic. They're so good. Yeah. So we're gonna eat this. Probably head home for the show tomorrow. Yeah.
This is what it is inside.
It was super tiring, but it was successful.
Yeah. So we're gonna enjoy this and put you guys up later. Stopped at the grocery store. Look at what this place has. I haven't seen this thing in years.
Lychee.
We got lychee.
And it was only $2.
We call it lychee in Hawaii. I don't know. Some people up here say lychee. What's these little fruits? This is where we're gonna eat dinner right after this. Pukilao. So we just ate dinner, the leftovers, And this is our dessert. Some shave ice. That looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look, you're wearing Matsumoto's too.
I know, that's what he just said. He said, she came with the Matsumoto shirt.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. Okay, so what we got here? Flavors.
Coconut strawberry.
Coconut and strawberry. Tiger's blood?
It's not even tiger's blood. It should be red and black.
How's it going? Pretty good? How's it? Tough crowd.
The coconut is good.
Yeah. Alright.
It's not a 10, 6.
It's a 6 out of 10? Alright, let's see what Kaylee's talking about over here.
I feel like the coconut is better.
You see what I mean?
That's not bad.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Coconut. Yeah, coconut's really good. Tastes like actual coconut. Okay, we're gonna finish this thing off.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
For me, the finest thing my hood has seen. Oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen. Play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting and in no time. I bet I make this with her mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But there's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to me. I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you.
What's the last one to leave?
What I do, all I think about is
There it is.
Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about they girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in. It's too sweet, now that's gangsta. And I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave 'em. But you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said,